I'm Mike Morrissey and this is Karen.
I'm Katrina Morrissey. We've lived in our house for 9 years and our house is in Galewood.
Yeah, so the kitchen when we bought the house had been updated.
The wall tile was tiled over with really small, like rectangular tiles. Barbara, she lived in the house, she grew up in the house. You can see in that picture the original wall tile. Like I figured they had ripped it off the wall and put the little tiles up. And then one time the radiator cover fell off and I was like, oh, there's green tile under there. The tile must be underneath.
One night, putting the kids to bed and I start to hear a tink, 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 tink come down, and sure enough, Katrina had started to reveal the tile. There were some spots of damage where we had to extract tiles where it wasn't gonna be noticeable, but we were able to patch that up.
It was a lot of work, but in our minds, totally worth it. We love it.
It's beautiful. It's also like saved material, which is like cost savings, but also
better
like
for the environment.
Environmentally.
We did find the sink on Facebook Marketplace, and then the base for it, Mike actually built all the cabinets in here. When we started stripping the woodwork, you could see where the old transom hardware had been attached, so we knew it was a working transom at some point. So we had wanted to restore that. Same thing with all the trim. It was all painted, many layers of paint.
This is definitely more in line with the style of the house, more in line with our style. We hired some of the work out, but there's a lot of us in it too, which is something that's pretty special to us.